This is a tomato. Tomato. But some people call it a tomato. I think Americans do. Americans say tomato, but I say tomato. For me, it is a tomato. Tomato. These tomatoes are red. It means you can pick them and eat them. Whereas these tomatoes are green. Do not pick them. Don't pick them now. You mustn't eat them now. You must wait. You have to wait until they are red. I love fresh tomatoes and mozzarella cheese. It is delicious, especially in summer. When it is hot, I eat a lot of tomatoes. My father grows tomatoes. I don't. My father grows fruit and vegetables. My father grows things that you can eat because he's a practical person. I'm not. I am a romantic person. So I grow things that are beautiful. I grow plants and flowers. But we both like gardening. My father likes gardening. I like gardening too. We both like gardening. And what about you? Do you like gardening? Do you prefer to grow fruit and vegetables? Or do you prefer to grow plants and flowers?